Hi there, are you looking for a cleaning tip for your home that is both effective and affordable? Look no further in this video. I'll be sharing a simple yet incredibly effective trick for cleaning your home that you can do with just a few items you probably already have in your house. First things first, let's talk about what this trick is all about. It's called the vinegar and baking soda cleaning method. And it's all about using these two household items to tackle tough cleaning tasks. The reason why it's so effective is that both vinegar and baking soda have powerful cleaning properties that can help remove dirt, grime, and odors from your home surfaces. Here's how it works. Start by mixing equal parts vinegar and baking soda into a bowl. You can use regular table salt instead of baking soda if you don't have any baking soda on hand. Once you have your mixture ready, you can use it to clean any surface in your home. For example, you can use it to clean your kitchen countertops, your bathroom tiles, or even your floors. One of the great things about this cleaning method is that it's safe for most surfaces and materials. You don't need to worry about using harsh chemicals or cleaning products that could damage your home's finishes or health. Plus, it's a very cost-effective way to keep your home clean and tidy without breaking the bank. So there you have it, my friend, the vinegar and baking soda cleaning method. I hope you found this video helpful and that it inspires you to try out this simple yet incredibly effective trick for cleaning your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.